Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Class 1. Subject is General Knowledge. Topic is Wild Animals. Presented by your General Knowledge teacher, Miss Nikita Kane. Students, before starting today's class, let us have a quick recap of the previous class. We have learned the topic domestic animals in our previous class. Now what we have learned in the previous class was domestic animals. Animals that are kept at home and are beneficial to us are called domestic animals. Names of domestic animals are cow, goat, sheep, camel, horse, hen, etc. Now let us see what they give us or how they are beneficial to us. Cow gives us milk, sheep gives us wool, cat keeps rats away, camel pulls a cart, dog guards our home, hen gives us egg. Today's topic. Students, we are going to learn the topic wild animals in our today's class. Our today's topic is wild animals. In this video, we are going to learn the topic wild animals. Wild animals. What are wild animals? The animals which live outside the human habitation are called wild animals. Now what is human habitation? Human habitation is the place or the area where human beings live. So the area where human beings live, outside that area the wild animals live. That means they lives in jungle or forest. We can also say that the animals which lives in jungle or forest are called wild animals. Names of wild animals. Wild animals are lion, tiger, elephant, snake, zebra, crocodile, etc. Students, now let us learn about all these wild animals in detail. This is a lion. Now let us learn about the parts of a lion. Mane. Lion has a mane. This part, the hairy part around a lion's neck, is known as mane. A lion has 2 ears. Eyes. A lion has 2 eyes. Nose. A lion has 1 nose. Mouth. A lion has 1 mouth. A tail. You can see this tail. Lion has 1 tail. Leg. A lion has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lion has 4 legs. Foot. This is foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 foot. That means feet. So these are the parts of a lion: mane, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, tail, legs, foot. Lions are considered as the king of the jungle because they are durable and have a high hunting capacity. We all know that lion is known as the king of the jungle. शेर जंगल का राजा है. Why it is called the king of the jungle? It is called the king of the jungle because it is durable. That means he can live a very long life and have a high hunting capacity. As he is having a high hunting capacity, he can hunt a lot of animals. He is durable, he can live long, so he is considered as the king of the jungle. The hungry animal has 4 legs and a tail with healthy paws. The paws of a lion are healthy. It has 4 legs and a tail. Mane is the name of the hair that is on the lion's neck. As we have seen in the picture that a lion is having hair on its neck, those hairs are known as mane. Lions are carnivorous animals, which is when animals hunt and eat the flesh of other animals. Lions are carnivorous. Carnivorous means flesh eating animals. So lion is a meat eater. He eats the meat of the other animals. Next is snake. Here is the picture of the body parts of a snake. So this is the head part, eyes, mouth, tongue, tail, body. A snake has one head. You can see this part is the head part, 2 eyes, one mouth, a tongue. You can see a twisted tongue, tail, and this whole is the body of the snake. Snakes have long body, no legs. As we have seen in the picture that snakes have body but no legs. They creep on ground. As they are having no legs, so they cannot walk, they just creep on the ground. Snakes are carnivores, that means meat eaters. They also eat the flesh of the animals. Snakes can't bite food, so have to swallow it whole. As snakes cannot bite the food, so they just swallow it as a whole. Next is zebra. Here is the picture of the parts of a zebra. This is ear, eye, nostril, mouth, leg, hooved feet, tail tuft, tail, shoulder, neck, mane, ear. A zebra has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils, mouth, legs, hooved feet. We cannot see the fingers or the paws of the zebra as lions have. They just have hooved feet. Tail tuft, tail, shoulder. This is neck part. Mane. As a lion is having hairs on its neck. A lion is having hairs on the whole neck in round on the all 4 sides. But Here you can see that our zebra is having only at one side, this side. This is the mane of a zebra, and these are the ears. Zebras are believed to be black in color with white stripes, not white with black stripes. Zebra are black animals with white stripes. They are like horses but are not domesticated like horses. Zebras are the wild animals that are white and black in color. A zebra is having a black body with white stripes. They look like horses, but they are not domesticated like horses. The horses are domesticated. They are used to pull carts, but zebras are not domesticated like horses. Next is an elephant. Here is the picture of the body parts of an elephant. This is eye, this is head, ear, tusk, leg, trunk, body, tail. An elephant has one head, two eyes, two ears, tusks. You can see the teeth which are outside the mouth near the trunk of the elephant. These are the two teeth which are outside the mouth. These are known as tusks. And this is the nose. The nose of an elephant is called trunk. This is the body of an elephant. Four legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a tail. The elephant is one of the largest land animals on earth. Now, first of all, let us learn what are land animals. What are land animals? The animals that live on land are called land animals. So, the elephant is one of the largest land animals. It has four strong legs which look like pillars, as we have already seen in the picture. It has a long and powerful trunk through which it sucks water. The nose of the elephant is known as trunk. It is very long. The elephant uses its trunk to pick up food and place it in its mouth. As it cannot lift the food with its hands and legs, so elephant uses its trunk to pull the food and then place it in its mouth. Elephants are very strong. They are very strong as they are very heavy, and they are used by men to carry heavy loads. They carry heavy loads. They can lift and roll big logs. They are used for lifting and rolling the big logs also. Next wild animal is giraffe. Here is the picture of the parts of a giraffe. Horns, eyes, nose, mouth, neck, head, ear, tail, leg, tail tuft, hoofed feet. Students, a giraffe has two horns, two ears, two eyes, one nose, mouth, neck. Giraffe has a very long neck. You can see it is very long. Head part, ears, two ears, one tail, tail tuft, four legs, and hoofed feet. Giraffes are the tallest animal on the planet. Even their legs are taller than the most human beings. Giraffes are the tallest land animals. Even their legs are taller than most of the human beings. Giraffes love to live in dry climates where they can take the heat. Giraffe usually they love dry climate. Dry climate means where there is no rainfall because they love heat. They love to roam here and there in search of food to eat in bulk at a time. They love to eat leaves, herbs and vines. Giraffe loves to eat at once. That means they want to eat at once only. They don't roam here and there and just eat leaves and all. They collect them and then they eat at one time. They love to eat leaves, herbs and vines. They do not drink much water despite having a large body, as giraffes are having very large body, but they don't drink much water. Giraffes have a very long neck and they can find it challenging to drink the water from the surface of the ground, as they are having a very long neck. But when they go for drinking water by sucking from the ground, they find it very challenging. They cannot drink the water from the ground very easily. Even though they are having very long neck, but they find it very challenging drinking the water from the ground. Next wild animal is a tiger. Here is the picture of the body parts of a tiger: ear, eyes, nose, mouth, paw, leg, tail, body, whiskers, ear. A tiger has 2 ears, 2 eyes, nose, mouth, paw, legs, a tail, body, whiskers. Whiskers are the long hairs you can see on the nose of a tiger. Ears. A tiger is a wild animal which looks like a big cat. Students, you all might have seen a cat in your life. A tiger looks like a big cat. If we see a tiger, and when you will see a tiger, that time you will just remember one thing, that it is looking like a big cat. A cat which is big in size. Tiger is the biggest flesh-eating animal in its cat family. It has a strong body and it is equally powerful like a lion. A tiger is equally powerful as same as a lion is. Tiger is the biggest wild animal in the cat family. It is one of the strongest animals of the jungle. Like lion is strongest animal of the jungle, tiger is also strongest animal of the jungle. Tiger is a carnivorous animal, which means it is a flesh-eating animal. It hunts other animals for food. Tiger has long and strong body. It has 4 legs, strong paws with sharp nails and one tail. A tiger is a flesh-eating animal. It hunts other animals for food. It has a very strong body like a lion. It has 4 legs, strong paws with sharp nails and one tail. Next wild animal is a crocodile. Here is the picture of the parts of a crocodile. This is eye, head, nostril, mouth, leg, tail, eyes. A crocodile has a head. You can see this is the head part. Here this one. And this is eye. It has two eyes, nostrils, fang. This is mouth, legs. It has four legs and a tail. The crocodiles eat the flesh of humans, birds, animals, and marine creatures. The crocodile is also a flesh eater. It eats the meat of animals. It eats the flesh of human, birds, animals, and even the marine creatures. They have got hard and dry skin to protect themselves from the attack of predators. It is having a very hard and dry skin so that it can protect itself from the attack of predators. They are usually found near large water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans, and seas. Crocodile is found near large water bodies like lakes, rivers, etc. They have sharp pointed teeth to bite the food easily. They are having very pointed teeth so that they can eat the food easily. Sometimes they swallow their prey completely. Students, now please note down your homework. Your homework is to complete page number 9 in your general knowledge book. It is chapter number 5, Wild Animals, that is given on page number 9. You have to complete this exercise in your general knowledge book. My dear students, thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. I hope to meet you soon in our next general knowledge class. Till then, be safe and complete your homework.